The flood-affected areas of Himachal Pradesh, which has been battered by torrential rains, received relief supplies from Air Force helicopters. Ashutosh Garg, the Deputy Commissioner for Kullu, stated that the entire district is operating on a war footing when it comes to providing aid and rescue efforts. In the entire district, our relief and rescue efforts are being conducted on a war footing. Over 1,800 transformers were impacted by the floods, of which the electricity department was restored 50%. The Kotala road, which connects the national highway stretch between Manali and Chandigarh, has been reopened to traffic, according to the Kullu Deputy Commissioner.